Hey everyone, and welcome back. I am sorry that this video is posting as late as it is. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Tasha. I'm a mama to 4 kids. I have 3 boys and 1 little girl, and you will see every one of them in this video because this was a family project pretty much, because we are turning our old storage building here into a chicken coop. Yes, you heard that right, into a chicken coop, because my first batch of babies are old enough to go outside. Um, let's just say we had to make some modifications and everything else. The part that you did not see us do was building the chicken run, which you will see parts where it's off to the side. That is not where it's going to stay. You will see later that we moved it to the back of the building. We did not record doing the chicken run because, my good Lord, guys, that took forever, because the wire that came with the chicken run was not predator proof. So we had to go and get hardware wire in order to predator proof it. And then after we put it together, hold on guys, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. If it's not kids being loud, it's dogs being loud. But yeah, so in this storage building, what we stored pretty much was like my daughter's baby stuff. Also like holiday decor and stuff like that, like Christmas and things like that. Plus, I used to be a seller on Facebook, and I actually have some of my products still left over. Anything that was expired or out of date in the stuff that I sold, actually I ended up getting rid of because it was out of date, of course. And yes, there was a little mouse that ran across my foot. And if you know me, I don't mind a mouse and I wouldn't mind a rat, but there is something about their tail that I cannot do. I don't know if it's the feel of it, the look of it. I don't know if it's just some kind of sensory thing, but I cannot stand their tail. And lo and behold, what ran across my foot was the tail of the little mouse. So I really got freaked out. So I hope that gave y'all a laugh, seeing me run out there screaming like that, because that really overloaded me and scared the bejesus out of me. But yeah, we're just basically, you'll see us clean this out. You'll see me get totes around, or I think I got one that was a lot bigger than the others as far as tote wise. But yeah, I just put the stuff in a tote, and then I labeled everything, because here soon we are going to be getting another building for strictly like the storage for the decor and stuff like that. But yeah, as far as right now, you just see us going through the stuff and everything else, and you'll see us clean up. And if this video is a lot of jumping back and forth from one thing to another, it really is, guys. It was so freaking hard to record on the days that I did. This is why it took so long, because I had to record on windy days, which in return kept knocking my tripod over, because for some reason my tripod wanted to be all wonky and wobbly, and it fell multiple times, which I had to cut out. Plus, when my middle son was out here helping us, this boy has issues with not wearing clothes that is his size, so his pants kept falling down below his butt crack. So therefore, I had to edit a lot of this stuff out. So this has really took us so long to get accomplished, because if it wasn't one thing that I needed, it was another thing that I needed. There was this day right here, actually, you will see here in a little bit us putting all the stuff back. And that is because after we had pulled everything out, guys, it started to pour. And I mean pour, like it poured and did not stop. So we had to stack everything back in here on this day, and then start again the next day and pull everything out and keep going through stuff. And when I say that This video took forever to even get the footage for. I'm not even exaggerating, guys. I know it took probably about 2 weeks to get all of this done. And if I would have just done it on, organizing or decluttering or cleaning out this building, it still wouldn't have been enough footage, for the simple reason I kept having to stop and I had to it was just a freaking mess, guys. Like, the wind kept wanting to blow things over. My phone, for some reason, kept freaking dying, even though it was fully charged. Like, this video right here, there was a lot of time and effort put into just getting footage. So if the lighting is bad, I do apologize, because we had to put the camera where we could. Where the wind wasn't blowing it over. If the quality's not good, again, I apologize. I did my best, because every day that we were doing this, it was either so freaking windy, my tripod would not stand up, or it was rainy and we had to rush and get in the house so I didn't get my camera and stuff wet, or 3, everything was just going wrong. So, yeah, it really took us a very long time. I also did not record the run being put up at the very back of the building here, because, again, that would have took so freaking long. But I hope that you guys enjoy this video and it gives y'all some motivation to do what you need to do, decluttering a building or organizing something or something like that. And again, you see how the wind is blowing back there, see the trees and stuff. That's why I had to bring my tripod in, and I think at this time is when it started raining. At first it just started like a little drizzle, like a little mist or whatever, and I'm like, oh, okay, we can still do this because it's not that bad. Yeah, was I a dummy, because about the time that we kept recording, it started pouring. I mean, by the time we got in the house from putting the stuff back in here and grabbing everything, we were literally drenched. Like, it looked like we had jumped in a pool. So, yeah, needless to say, this really did take a long time. I would have had this up a lot sooner if we could have got the stuff done. But we kept having to go back and buy hardware cloth because for some reason, okay, so I got hardware cloth. Again, sorry about that, interrupted by the dogs. But anyway, I had got a roll of hardware cloth off of Amazon, and I thought it was going to be big enough. That was hilarious. It was not. And then I'd go to Tractor Supply and get some, and I was like, okay, surely this would be good. And I got like, I think 7 rolls at one time. And let me tell you, that still did not cover the dang run. So I ended up having to keep getting more hardware cloth. I think we probably went through 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to say probably about 14 or 15 rolls of hardware cloth just to cover the run and make sure that it was all sealed and everything from predators. And the chickens have been out now for, I want to say, 2 days. It has taken me this long to edit and voiceover and everything, guys, because let me tell you, it does not, it's not easy doing this crap. And by the way, guys, if y'all hear screaming in the background, nobody is getting killed or anything like that. It's just my kids, my boys are playing on the daggone game, and there's always screaming and everything else, and my room is the quietest place I can have right now, which the dogs make that virtually impossible. So I do apologize for any noise you may hear or whatever. Just bear with me. And we also did a automatic chicken coop door that runs off of like the solar. And you will see that at the end. And also, my son wanted me, the one that is helping me, my youngest son, James, he's my baby. He's my baby boy. Anytime mama has a project like this, when it comes to anything like that, that is my right hand man right there. That boy is so freaking awesome. He helped his mama out the most out of anybody, and I am so proud of him. And he wanted me to let y'all know that this is a channel of what we are doing, not how it's supposed to be done, okay? Let me reiterate that. This is a channel of what we did, not the right way to do it, okay? Because you will probably see us use tools that is not the best to use for certain projects that we do in this video and probably in every other video that we do. But this is just what we do. We use what we have. We're not going to go out here and spend money just to get something for a one-time use at that moment. You know, we're not that type of people. We're not putting ourselves in like bankrupt to do this stuff, okay? We are actually using what we have on hand and what works, okay? Now, with that being said, we had an old chicken coop we've had for 5-6 years, I think, and we thought we could use it. Okay, well, my son was trying to move it and the whole bottom fell out and it just ripped apart. So, but there was some really good wood on it. So what we did, we reused the chicken wire that came off of the old chicken coop. We also reused some of the boards that came off of the chicken coop, and you will actually see that here soon, I believe. Yes, because we had to fix the door of this building in order to keep anything from getting in or the chickens getting out. So you will see that we did reuse a lot of the stuff we already had. This right here was after we had already went through all the stuff we were getting rid of. These are just boxes that we have to tear down and recycle or whatever. But you will see we will just put this stuff in black trash bags and put it up on the trailer. That way, you know, later on we can take it where it needs to go or do what we need to do with it. At this time, we were just trying to hurry up and get this done to get the chickens in here because they were getting big and they needed to be outside. But yeah, again, we use what we have. We do not go into debt or go into the hole or anything like that to get things that we need. We walk around and find things or, you know, become creative, as you will see, because we actually used like these little metal grid things that are used for shelves and stuff. We use that as a window for the door. You will see that in a little bit. So we got really creative on how we set this chicken coop up. And I hope that you guys can get some ideas or whatever, because we are the type of people, we like to look at everything not just as what it is meant for, but what it could be used for, if that makes sense. But yeah, I hope y'all are enjoying this video, guys, because we got rid of a lot of stuff. Let me tell you, there was hardly anything that had to go down to the garage, because right now we have a garage, but it is not, it's not fixed up. Like there's places in it that doesn't have any paneling or anything up. So we can't exactly store a lot of stuff down there for long periods of time. So that is the reason I went and got the totes to store stuff in. That way we could store it in the garage until I get the other storage building. And then I'm going to bring all that stuff into the other storage building. That way everything, you know, will have a place and stuff. We're having to work in little sections at a time as far as getting things to where they need to be, how they need to be, and stuff like that. I know if you are part of this channel, I'm sure you understand. But yeah, as you can see all my kids running back and forth here, even the little one. This was a whole entire family thing. It was me, my boys, and my baby, and we were all out here working our tails off in order to get this done, because I was done. I was just done, you know, having chickens in my room, and they needed to be outside. So anyway, guys, I will stop talking for a little bit and let y'all watch this video. And yeah.
we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Clocks tick loud, the world won't wait. Every step decides our fate. Hearts on fire, no room for doubt. In this race, we're breaking out. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Feet hit the ground, the pulse is strong. Chasing the echoes all along. No looking back, no turning round. The thrill of life is what we found. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Keep the rhythm all the way.
something else, guys. This whole entire couple of weeks that we was working on this and everything, Mama was really struggling. I had already been off of my allergy medicine for I couldn't tell you how long, and it was really kicking my butt. So if I look a mess or if I look just out of the normal, please ignore that. And yes, I was not about to get dressed to record, guys. I just kept on whatever I had on, because this day that you are watching right now, I had the worst, and I mean the worst headache ever, but I still pushed through because we needed to get this done because there were so many other things that we needed to do. But let me tell you, Mama was not feeling it this day. You can see it in my face. You can see it in my posture. And thank goodness for my son right there, because he took one for Mama. He really did. He done a lot of the work this day because I was not feeling it. I was there helping him where I could, but I was not feeling it at all. And this is where we're actually fixing that door. Well, I should say he, because Mama really didn't do anything this day. And I am so glad that he has been taught how to use the power tools and everything, because that takes a heck of a lot of stuff off of my plate. If I need something like this done, I can just be like, hey, bud, can you go out here and do this for me? Go cut this piece of wood or something like that. I am so glad he knows how to use power tools, man. That's the best thing in the world. If you have boys or whatever and you're used to doing everything by yourself, it is absolutely a blessing if you have a kid that can do it for you. I'm telling you, this child right here, he is definitely my right hand man when I have any kind of projects and stuff I need done. And there was several times he would not even let me do anything. He's like, nah, Mama, I'm the man. Let me do it. So I was like, all right, son. He's like, I'm not saying you can't do it, but you're a woman. Let me do it. And I'm like, I don't know. That kind of sounds a little sexist to me, but yeah, he's hilarious, guys. He's definitely one of a kind. That's for sure. But if it wasn't for him this day, I don't even think that the video would be out right now, because I hadn't had a migraine as bad as I did this day in I couldn't tell you how long. And it is because where I was off the allergy medicine in order to get allergy testing done. And on top of that, just the wind blowing the pollen around and everything else, it was awful. Like, I woke up with a headache on this day, and I kept a headache all day long. I took medicine on top of medicine to get rid of it, and it would not go away. But yeah, you see measuring the door and everything like that. We actually got really creative on how to do this door. I'm actually very proud of us. We actually work really good as a team, guys. Our ideas, and see, the thing is, he's so much like me, and our mind works so much alike that, you know, the ideas, it just comes natural and it just works for us. But anyway, I guess I will stop talking, guys, and yeah, let y'all watch this video. I hope that if you are new here, I hope that you stick around for more of our projects, because we have a hell of a lot of projects coming the rest of the spring, summer, and everything else. Especially outside projects and everything, but I have a lot in the house to do too, and I am not looking forward to that. I'd rather be outside. But yeah, I hope that y'all subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. If you're not already, because we have a lot more stuff coming out, probably more videos of me and my kiddo. And right here, I'm just taking a little drawing break or coloring break with my daughter. But yeah, guys, I hope that y'all found all the motivation that y'all were looking for, or the entertainment that y'all needed, or if y'all just was bored and needed something to do and decided to hop on to be like, oh man, these people don't know what they're doing, or some crap like that. I mean, I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope that you'll come back for future videos. And welcome to the family, guys. Love y'all. Bye.
If you like a long hot summer breeze, dance into an incredible beat. Hang with your friends, that's all that you need. If you love the way it makes you feel, hey, when you feel it, it makes you feel good. Can turn a bad day to the better. Play another tune, it's gonna be alright, don't say never. Friends can change your mood. A little fun tonight lasts forever, will make you feel so good. If you like a long hot summer breeze, dance into an incredible beat. Hang with your friends, that's all that you need. If you love the way it makes you feel, if you like to cruise around in the streets, lie by the pool at 90 degrees, going with your friends to catch a movie. If you love the way it makes you feel, put your hands up, say yeah, 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 will make you feel okay. If you like a long hot summer breeze, dancing to an incredible beat, hanging with your friends is all that you need. If you love the way it makes you feel, if you like to cruise around in the streets, lie by the pool at 90 degrees, going with your friends to catch a movie. If you love the way it makes you feel, yeah, come on, put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, when you feel it, makes you feel good, can turn a bad day to the better and make you feel good. If you like a long hot summer breeze, dancing to an incredible beat, hanging with your friends is all that you need. If you love the way it makes you feel, if you like to cruise around in the streets, lie by the pool at 90 degrees, going with your friends to catch a movie. If you love the way it makes you feel, yeah, if you love the way it makes you feel, put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up, say yeah, 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 yeah. Topo delante, topo delante, topo delante, topo delante, topo delante, topo delante.
It's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing. Nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood. Until you're feeling like yourself again. Feel the sunlight on your skin. Keep your heartbeat beating. Go on, breathe in.
You might fall on your way. Throw your head up, you get down when things don't fall into place.